Are you ready to delve into the intricacies of professional development within health and social care? This video unravels the essential standards, codes, and continuous learning required for excellence in this sector. Discover how these elements ensure safe and legal practice while opening doors for career advancement. Professional development in health and social care is about managing your learning and growth throughout your career. Continuous learning keeps your skills and knowledge up to date. It ensures you practice safely and legally. This sector offers 350 different roles. Did you explore your career options on the NHS website? Professional standards ensure the health, safety, and well-being of patients and service users. Legislation and codes of practice set the criteria for assessing providers. They describe the conduct and practices workers must adhere to. This ensures competency and aligns with employer values. How do these standards impact your daily work? The Care Standards Act replaced earlier legislation to reform care institution regulations. It emphasizes dignity, privacy, choice, and safety. Local authorities must meet the same standards as independent providers. The Act introduced the National Care Standards Commission. How does this legislation impact care delivery today? Compliance with these regulations supports CQC standards. This ensures quality care for those receiving services at home. How does this regulation affect your role in care provision? The Health and Safety at Work Act establishes workplace safety regulations. It encourages regulation and enforcement of health and safety standards. Employers must ensure a safe working environment. This act is fundamental for workplace welfare. How do these regulations influence your daily tasks? These regulations aim to reduce risks from manual handling. They require avoiding hazardous manual handling where possible. Assess risks if manual handling cannot be avoided. Employers must implement measures to minimize injury risks. How do these regulations impact your workplace practices? Employers must carry out risk assessments and implement safety measures. They should appoint competent people for health and safety roles. Providing information and training is essential. These regulations ensure a safe work environment. How do they shape your approach to health and safety? This act ensures individuals' rights and choices are respected. The Mental Capacity Act protects individuals who cannot make decisions themselves. It allows planning for future decision-making. It provides a framework for decision-making processes. How does this act influence your care practices? Codes of practice complement health and safety laws. They provide guidance on complying with obligations. These codes describe professional conduct standards. They ensure safe work practices and compliance. How do these codes guide your professional behavior? Social care workers must protect and promote service users' rights. They should maintain trust and confidence with users. Independence and safety of service users are priorities. Workers must respect users' rights while ensuring safety. How do these codes influence your daily responsibilities? National occupational standards define performance levels in the UK. They specify skills and knowledge needed for tasks. These standards ensure competence in various roles. They focus on what workers must do and know. How do these standards relate to your professional development? Continuous professional development helps maintain current practices. Keeping up with legislation and policies is vital in health and social care. Learning new skills improves care quality. Lifelong learning enhances job satisfaction. How does CPD benefit your career in this sector? Continuing professional development includes reading and attending workshops. Research and distance learning are vital components. Clinical audits and university education enhance skills. Practice visits and peer reviews offer practical insights. How do these activities contribute to your professional growth? CPD is crucial for public well-being in healthcare. It enhances care quality for patients and clients. Practitioners must meet regulatory requirements. The NHS Knowledge and Skills Framework guides CPD. How does CPD impact your role in healthcare? CPD enhances skills. It prevents qualifications from becoming outdated. Identifying knowledge gaps leads to new specialisms. CPD boosts confidence and prepares for sector changes. How does CPD enhance your professional capabilities? Social workers must register with Social Work England. They need to demonstrate CPD every 2 years. This includes maintaining a record of training and learning. CPD ensures readiness for current and future practices. How do these requirements affect your career planning? CPD includes formal training and skill improvement activities. Observation, mentoring, and workshops are part of CPD. Online training offers flexibility and convenience. Employers provide CPD opportunities through various platforms. How do these activities fit into your professional routine? Online CPD training allows participation from convenient locations. It fits into work schedules with minimal disruption. Employers use platforms to track CPD hours. Courses are endorsed by health and social care professionals. How does online training support your professional development? Explore various resources for further reading on CPD. Visit Skills for Care and Skills for Health websites. Access guides on national occupational standards. Learn about CPD and healthcare through online platforms. How do these resources aid your learning journey? Engage in additional reading to enhance your understanding. Access Moodle for resources on CPD and national occupational standards. Email queries to LearnerWork at UKversity. Submit assignments within 2 weeks of unit completion. How do these actions contribute to your educational progress? In conclusion, you now understand how to engage in lifelong learning to enhance your role in this vital sector. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us on 07,484,361,688.